Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2015 Ford Ranger, stock number 7197. It's run from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2022. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 20-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door 1 creased good private. Left rear 20-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right hand taillight. Right rear aftermarket 20-inch wheel good tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lift, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,